Should beginners use tape when caulking and why it matters for a clean result? Using painter's tape is the simplest way to get factory-looking caulk lines without years of practice. Start with a high-quality, low-tack painter's tape and press it firmly along the edges where you want the caulk bead to stop, leaving a narrow gap for the bead to sit in. Cut the caulk tube tip at a 45-degree angle and size the opening to match the gap you want. Then apply steady pressure and move the gun smoothly. Too slow makes blobs and too fast leaves thin spots. After laying the bead, wet your finger or a small tooling tool with a mix of water and a drop of dish soap to smooth the bead, working from one end to the other to push the caulk into the joint and remove air pockets. Remove the tape immediately after tooling while the caulk is still wet so the edge stays sharp and you avoid pulling cured caulk. For sealing over tile cuts or uneven edges, place tape over the imperfections to hide rough cuts and concentrate the bead over the joint itself so the finished line looks continuous and neat. Common mistakes are using the wrong tape, applying an inconsistent bead, and leaving tape on too long. If you use heavy-duty or high-tack tape, you risk tearing freshly applied caulk or pulling paint when you remove it, so choose painter's tape specifically designed for delicate surfaces. Jerky or uneven gun motion causes blobs and gaps, so practice on cardboard first and keep a steady cadence to lay a uniform bead. Letting tape dry with the caulk causes ragged edges, so always pull the tape off right after you tool the bead while it is still wet. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides resources about small projects like caulking and sealing. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and find local work opportunities.